What did you spell?
Charlie.
Charlie. Do you know any other words?
How do you... Wait, Julie?
You know how to spell Julie?
No.
Cool. Macy's just doing the best that she can, which is always awesome.
But a lot of things are wrong.
What's the... Oh. What? How do you write? Julie White. I mean Julie.
How about Macy or Cooper?
I don't know how to spell Cooper.
Or Mom or Dad?
I don't know how to spell Mom or Dad. Can I just get? Yikes.